Hey, my beauties. So I hope y'all ready to beat some faces because that's what we're about to do today. So you guys are familiar with my face prep, rose water, Neutrogena moisturizer, brows are snizzatched, and I am starting off with my Makeup Forever palette and my Watch Me blush palette by the Crayon Case. And I had so much fun. I'm not gonna lie. I really enjoyed this makeup look. Like, I really enjoyed filming this makeup look. I think it came out perfect. It was everything that I thought it would be. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Now, you guys know with this Makeup Forever palette, the numbers are, this is a custom palette, so the numbers are to the bottom of each eyeshadow. So I don't know the numbers, but grab a similar color and let's do this thing. And then I used the color Berries from the Watch Me blush palette by Crayon Case. But yeah, guys, I mean, I really enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, how you guys think this look came out. I also used the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette as well, the Prism palette. This was one of my favorite palettes by them too. Hadn't reached for it for a while. And you guys will see I went in with the color Eternal and Lucid at the end. But yeah, all in all, this was a really easy look. As you can see, this video is short. I'm gonna cut the crease. Now, one thing I would say is that I noticed that cut creases aren't a big thing for me. I like to kind of cut it but blend it. So I don't like a sharp cut crease unless I do a middle cut crease. They work better for me. But as you can see, I'm gonna cut this crease. But when I finish it off, I'm going to blend it out. So I'm not going to have that sharp cut anymore. That's just, I don't know, it doesn't work for my eye shape. So I actually took Eternal from the Prism palette and really blended it all throughout and brought it straight up to the brow bone. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I just love the colors used. And so didn't know that these colors matched the outfit that I'm wearing. But yeah, loved these colors that I use. So you guys let me know what you think, honey. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. Y'all know how to tingo. Y'all know how to tingo. There we go. That's Eternal. So as you can see, I'm gonna blend it all the way up. See, because I think that looks much better than the cut crease. Look at that. Everything is just blended so smoothly. And then y'all know my face routine. I don't need to speak through this. Like, I pulled out some oldies but goodies, some of my favorite. I used NARS today. So NARS everything, the foundations and the concealers. And I just love the flawless look that it gives. So yeah, guys. Until then, y'all enjoy this look. Leave a comment below letting me know how you like it. And what else should we do? Because y'all know Corona got us on lock, right? So what other looks should I come up with? Give me some suggestions in the comments below. All right, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Okay, sweet girl, let's finish off this look using my favorite, well, one of my favorite lip pencils by MAC. This is the color Cork, going in with the lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to use is also from by MAC. That is in the color Yash. That's the actual color of this lipstick. And then going in with my Makeup Shayla Ultra Sheen, I guess kind of lip gloss lipstick. Love this nude look. And then I am going to top it off with a lip gloss by MAC, and this lip gloss is the color, it's called Lust. So guys, let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed this look. Until next time, bye.